Hi, this is my newest junk journal that I have for sale. I've called it Nature because it's all butterflies and birds and natural things, but you can call it whatever you like if you buy it. So this is it. Got a very big mouth, it's full of ephemera and stuff. And it's got a pretty tail feather, I guess. All seam bindings and lace and stuff like that it comes off as well. And seam binding closure, 2 ribbons. So this is just a flip through, basically. Grab yourself a borrow card, put your name in. Some little dangles. And tags of birds. It's got 3 signatures in it, and this first signature is birds mainly, and then the second signature is butterflies mainly, and then this signature is like plants and stuff. So the first page, I've enclosed a lot of writing paper, Tomoe River writing paper, so you've got plenty of space for writing, tuck spots, handmade tags, and a lot of journaling cards. Little notebook. Side tuck. This is made. Some of it's made with napkins decoupaged. Pretty birds. This is another notebook with a paper clip holding it onto the page. It's all brown paper. Later, a couple of cute little tags. These are Catherine Klein birds. Pretty old writing. Just some random little pieces of paper and pictures. And a couple of tags. Ledger paper. This is a very deep pocket, this one. Only got that in it at the moment. Little matchbook notepad. Paper and some more paper, Tomoe River paper, stamped. Let's see if I can get this back on. Okay. This is an envelope made into a pocket. If I can get this back in. A flower. This is a stacked pockets with some tags made from napkins. This is note paper made to be like a little envelope, and that's a altered paper clip. A big journaling tag for you. Another one in a glassine bag. All pretty birdies. Another stacked pocket. So there's 2 pocket spots there. Some writing paper, tuck spot, and a little stamped image. More pockets. This book is full of pockets and tuck spots. Paper. Journaling cards, and this is the butterfly signature, a little dangle with some sequins. These are decorated with liquid pearls. Funky bunny. This is a pull-out journaling spot for you. So it goes way down. And then just accordions back up. What have I done here? There. And an altered paper clip to hold it all together. Another pocket with some stuff in there. This is just a little pocket. I just liked the style of this, and I liked the paper as well, or the card. Another matchbook, little flip book, journaling card, more napkin decoupage. Doily, some pretty butterflies. This pocket comes off. Oh no, it doesn't. No, it used to come off. I stuck it down. Yeah. Tags. Altered paper clip and note paper. Oh no, it's a letter. I forgot about that one. I like that one. Little tuck spot. More paper. Some journaling cards. Life is a great big canvas. Throw all the paint on it you can. Fold out piece of paper. Window thing. Envelope with some paper in it. Another tuck spot with some seam binding. More paper. Napkined journaling cards and some tags. Just some pretty decorations, and this is a pocket, this one. Has a few tags and journaling cards in it. More pretty paper. This is a flip out pocket. And another notepad. Some more paper, Tomoe River paper, and some seam binding. Funky little pocket. And some stenciling with distress inks. Journaling pocket. And some random paper edging. I like that. This is done with distress spray ink as well. So this is the Nature signature. It's got pockets with tags and note paper. More tags. Coles Funny Picture Book papers. A pocket with some stuff in it that you'll have to wait and see. This is fold out envelope of Tamari River paper. Some more tags. Notebook, little notebook. Some note paper. And this one here is from My Porch Prints. It's a little sort of built-in notebook. It's of butterflies. Just a little flippy thing. I think it's very cute. There you go. And just more paper. And a pull-out spot you can use for journaling. With some more tags. More writing paper. And more writing paper. Another little boat. Pull-out tag. The other side of the brown paper bag pocket. Some tags. Journaling spots with a paper clip. And that's it. There you go. That's the whole journal. Bye.